steps to making a great sandwich. First, you gotta wash the hands. Oh yeah, get them nice and clean. Check out the tap. Just kidding. No, not really. Then, you gotta piss the earth off and use all kinds of trees. Throw it away. Okay, now I need a knife. Okay, for my sandwiches, I used mayo with olive oil and cracked pepper. Cracked pepper gives you a little bit of fire. Not too much, just enough. So, I like a lot on mine. I like to spread it on evenly. Kind of OCD. Just a little, no big deal. Alright, that one's done. Now, you do the same for the other side. Okay. Now, once that's finished, you clean that up later. Okay. And you use pepper jack cheese to add a little more spice to your life. If I can get it open. Normally I just open it and stick it on there, but okay. Next comes the turkey. Turkey, because ham is higher in sodium, and you need to watch it, because it can kill you, literally. You fold it over there like that, get another piece, and you place it on the other side, and fold it over like that. Now, I add bread and butter pickles because it's sweet. They're just a little bit of That way you have a little kick and then you get calmed down by the pickles. And it makes it the greatest sandwich you will ever eat in your entire life. Okay. And then you make another one because I'm a fatty. Alright. Now, Ryan's, you do this. You take a little, well, this is Caesar. Take a little Caesar. Pour it on there. Then you take pepper jack. No. I got this. You take pepper jack and you just smear it around. Smear it around. Looks messy, but it's really not. And then you get some salad. Classic iceberg salad, you know, nothing fancy. Place it on the sandwich. Throw it to the side. Get like 14 pieces of ham because Ryan wants to die. You lay it on there. Oh, and this is a premium honey ham, lean, and there's water added. For what reason, I'm not sure. Okay, 4. Then you place this on top, and then you enjoy. What better than our sandwiches? Can't even get any better than that. Do you want a pickle on yours? Okay. And then Ryan gets pickles too.
Just one. Diagonal. So it's like a, hey, I'm in your face. Ready to eat?